Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful, no crochet hook needed, easy chain link cast on. Come on along. First thing you're going to do is create a slip knot, and I like to leave quite a bit of tail on the end of the slip knot. This way, when I'm working the project and I come back for row 2 and row 3, I can work this into the actual project itself. It's nice and long and you're not going to have things sticking out all over the place. So you're going to wrap your yarn around your finger or around 2 fingers, whichever is more convenient for you, and then you're going to take the tail end and tuck it in so you end up like this, and then you're just going to pull and you've got a slip knot. Set this on your yarn just like this and then tighten it up. There we go. And again, I may have already mentioned it, I am not used to working flat like this. I'm used to working in my lap, so we're going to have some slipping and sliding. Okay, so you have your slip knot on. This is one of the only times you're going to need this, is you're going to come around and you're going to grab that loop you made with your slip knot and pull your working yarn through it so you end up with a loop, just like this. Now you are going to set this down because you're not going to need it for a while, and you're going to pull that loop, take your working yarn, and as you can see here, I am taking the working yarn and I'm pulling it through this loop I just made. And one side of this is the working yarn. The other side is attached to what you've already done, and I will usually come back and snug this up a bit more just to have it stay. You're going to come around. Both sides of the loop are going to go around the back of the next peg. And once again, you're taking your working yarn and you are sliding it through the loop and then taking it. I like to use, I'm trying to show you my middle finger here to tighten. I pull on it to tighten it up, and there you have it. Now this can be, the loop can be as long or short as you'd like. I like to work with a little bit longer loop because at the end you're going to take care of that length. All right, just snug it up, go to the next one, and sorry, I'm sliding a bit. Tighten it up, go to the next one. There we go, and put it in there and tighten it up. Next one. I think you're getting the idea. Okay, I'll do it one more time super slow. So I've got my loop, I take my working yarn that is still attached to the last loop, put it through just like this, and then grab it and tighten it up. And that's it. And as I said, you can move the loop wider or smaller depending on what you want to do. Okay, so I'm almost to the end here. I'm going to put the loop over just same way and pull my yarn through, tighten it up, and then here's my end peg. I'm not going to go around, so here's my end peg. I literally just take that loop and set it like this, and then I take my working yarn and pull it over the top and knit off. Just like that, you now have a chain stitch. And as I said, this is a beautiful stitch for any type of cast on, and you can also use this same in reverse for a cast off, and I will do a video on that shortly. You're gonna see this particular cast on a huge project that I'm working on that I've done a video for, and you'll get to see what this looks like when it's actually on a project. I hope you liked the video. Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.